Making an offer on Depop involves requesting to pay less than the listed price for an item, with the seller having the option to approve, counter, or reject the offer. To initiate this process, locate the item of your choice and click on the Make Offer button. Next, suggest a price and send the request to the seller, ensuring that your offer is at least 80% of the listed price. After submitting your offer, wait for the seller's response, which may be an approval, rejection, or counter-offer. If your offer is accepted, you will pay the item's price as agreed upon. If it's rejected, you can try making another offer. In the event of a counter-offer, you will have the opportunity to negotiate with the seller. This straightforward process allows buyers to potentially purchase items at a lower price. And it is a simple and convenient way to shop on Depop.